Hello guys, welcome back to my another video. Today video is about chemistry MCQs. Which of the following best defines stoichiometry? The study of rates of chemical reaction, the study of the energy exchanges during chemical reaction, the calculation of reactant and product and chemical reaction, the study of chemical kinetics. C as the correct option. What is the molar mass of water? H2O. 18 gram per mole. B is the correct option. Which law states that matter is neither created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction? Law of definite proportion, law of multiple proportion, law of conservation of mass, Avogadro's law. C is the correct option. Law of conservation of mass. In a balanced chemical equation, the number of atoms of each element is conserved on both sides of the equation. This principle is based on law of conservation of mass. B is the correct option. Avogadro's number is B is the correct option. The empirical formula of a compound is CH2O. If the molecular mass of the component is 18 gram per mole, what is its molecular formula? D is the correct option. C6H12O6. Which one of the following is not a diatomic molecule? Helium. D is the correct option. If 5 moles of H2 react with 2.5 moles of O2, how many moles of water are formed? B is the correct option. If you like the video and you want this type of video, like, subscribe the channel. Allah Hafiz.